Hello, my name is Miss Sierra, and during my clinical field experience at Spring Hill Middle School, I worked with a small group of special education students on understanding cost per item, which aligns with North Carolina Standard 6 period RP period 2. This standard focuses on understanding unit rates and using ratio reasoning to solve real world problems. During my initial conversation with my mentor teacher, we discussed how students were struggling with multi step word problems and organization. Many students understood basic division but became overwhelmed when numbers were embedded in real life scenarios. Based on this need, we decided to simplify the lesson while maintaining grade level standards. The lesson was titled, Which Snack Costs Less? Students compared two versions of their favorite snack, such as juice pouches or chips. Instead of large numbers, we intentionally used smaller, manageable numbers to reduce cognitive overload. I modeled the process using explicit instruction and think aloud strategy. For example, I said, I see that 6 juice pouches cost $3. To find the cost of one pouch, I divide 3 by 6. Students used a structured graphic organizer with clear steps. Step 1, circle the price. Step 2, underline the number of items. Step 3, divide. Step 4, compare the results. Color coding was also used to support attention and organization. This structure helps students focus one step at a time rather than feeling overwhelmed by the entire problem. During the activity, I noticed increased engagement because students were comparing snacks they actually enjoy. The real world context made the math meaningful. Students were able to explain their answers using sentence frames. This supported both math reasoning and language development. If I were to adjust this lesson in the future, I would add more visual supports, such as drawing groups or using manipulatives like counters to physically represent items. I would also incorporate more guided partner discussions to strengthen verbal reasoning skills. This experience reinforced the importance of explicit instruction, structured supports, and meaningful real-life connections when teaching students with disabilities. Breaking the task into smaller steps allowed students to experience success while still working toward grade-level expectations. Overall, this lesson strengthened my understanding of how intentional scaffolding and real-world application can increase confidence, engagement, and mathematical understanding in special education settings. Thank you.